What's going on, everyone? My name is Matt, and welcome back to the Pokedex Chronicles. On today's video, we're going to do a little battle between Paldean Fates, Shining Fates, and Hidden Fates in search of 3 different Shining Charizards. Let's see what we can get. Hey everyone, so welcome back. Like I said, we're going to do a little 10 packs of each. Going to start from newest to oldest. Paldean Fates, Shining Fates, and Hidden Fates. Got the Paldean Fates and the Shining Fates from ETBs, and got the Hidden Fates from 2 tins. I think first print run, to be honest. They had the plastic in them as opposed to the cardboard, so someone correct me in the comments if that's not the case. And then 2 loose packs from there, but yeah, have not pulled or have not opened many Hidden Fates packs, so this will be fun. I'll keep those for last because I'm more excited about those, to be honest, but still got 10, 10, and 10. We're gonna see what we can get, and yeah, we'll just start ripping right in. This ETB is still from that case that I have that still hasn't gotten any alt arts from it or any gold, so let's see if we can change our luck today. Starting off with a Scraggy, Mime Jr., Gimmighoul, Swoobat, Charmeleon, and we got a Glimmora EX full art to start. Not bad there, don't have it, so that's going right to the binder. Graveyard, and a Raichu Hollow. So not bad to start. Got a Glimmora EX. Full art shiny. Still in search of that Mew, or today I'll definitely take that Charizard. Be pretty lucky if we can get at least 1 Zard out of the 3 of these. That would be pretty wild. Noibat, Chimchao. But yeah, I'm definitely excited for those 10. Shining Fates, and we double up on a Tatsugiri. Shining Fates, I have that fully complete, but it's been a while since I've opened that, so figured we'd throw 10 packs of that at it as well. As I hit my mic. But yeah, you guys still enjoying Paldean Fates? I've definitely enjoyed the set, enjoyed ripping it. Let's see if we can get one of our big chase cards finally. Dash Bun, Nest Ball, Reverse Chimchao, Maschiff, and a Mimikyu. Had to buy a mini tin to get the extra 10th pack for Paldean. I forgot there was only 9 packs in the ETBs on this set. Pika, Paldean Student, Fido, Haunter, Ultra Ball, Mousehold, Moonlit Hill, Mousehold or Baby Shiny, which we're doubling up on, and 2 Professor Researches. Another Mousehold Baby Shiny. Couldn't even get the Tandem Mouse for the set, but that's alright. I will be shocked if we don't pull at least 1 gold or 1 alt art out of this entire case of ETBs. But I guess we will wait and see. And Ultra Ball, Primate, our boy Lechonk, Whimsicott, and a Houndstone. So nothing there either. We got 2 baby shinies and a full art EX shiny to start. Oh, I think there's something in this pack. I think I saw a little shine on that. Maractus, Gimmighoul, Scraggy, Charmeleon, Dash Bun, Camerupt, Varoom, Iono, and I was way off. Absolutely nothing in that pack. Like I said, I am definitely excited to rip into those Hidden Fates packs because, like I said, I'm pretty sure those are first print run. But we will see. And rumor is that there is, as we get a baby shiny Smoliv, and finally a different art rare other than Palmy. So there's the Smoliv and the Boywug trio. Let's get that focused up. There we go. There's that guy. And couldn't get a triple banger. We'll take the double. We'll take the double. Sleeve that up. Boywug trio. And get this in here. That baby shiny Smoliv. And there's some nice right out of the pack dents on it. You always love to see damage on a pack. On a card ripped right from the pack. Oh well. Not like we're grading it, so that's okay. Let's see, 3 packs left. Little Paldean Whoop. Graveyard. Get in there. There we go. Sharkadet, Scrafty, Swoobat, Artisan, Haunter Reverse, Primeape Reverse, and a Heat Rotom Hollow. 2 more. Yeah, definitely still enjoying the openings of this set. Even though we're not hitting the crazy hits, it's still fun to open this one for sure. There's a few Lantern, Mavistiff Hollow, striking out again. Last pack of the ETB. Let's get it. Yeah, they've already announced Temporal Forces for late March. Only a couple of weeks into this set. I mean, it was already basically announced, but Pokemon is just non-stop releasing sets. Again, at this point, it's like, what, 5, 6 a year? So that was it for our last of the Paldean Fates. A lot of Zard packs in this ETB. Maybe that's a good sign to we might actually hit one. Pulled that shiny Zard once before from Shining Fates. So let's see if we can get lucky again. Rusted Shield, Rotom, Cramorant, Rookie, Weetzel, Yanma, Trapinch, Baby Shiny Galarian Darumaka, and a Yawn Mega non-hollow. Sleeve that up. Little Baby Shiny to start off that ETB, not bad. Looking for the big boy, but we'll see if we can get something out of that as I rip that open like an absolute savage. Hopefully we didn't mess anything up there. Starting off with another Rusted Shield. Floatzel. Wacky. Morpeko, Cacnea, Horsey, Cufant, Choodle, Rusted Shield Reverse, and a Boss's Order. Boss's Orders. Nothing on that guy. Did you guys open up a lot of Shining Fates when it came out as well? I definitely ripped far too many packs of Shining Fates, but oh, No pack trick on this one. We're going to go right through it. More Pecco, Choodle. We got something in here. Nickit, Grookey, Full Art Toxtricity. That could have just as easily been the Zard, but Full Art Toxtricity. And nothing crazy in there. Not bad. Take a Full Art. I like Toxtricity, so that's not too bad. We'll take that full. These are opening up funky on me. Oh, got something in the back there. Wacky, Tropius, Rotom, Trapinch, Nickit, Utzel, Inks, Coughing, another Full Art Shiny, Indeedee. Man, not the Zard, but getting some pulls, so that's good. Won't complain on that. Nice little Indeedee. Full Art Shiny. Pretty good ETB. Come on. Hands don't want to work today, but that's okay. 4. Hopefully you guys are having a good day. Thank you again for tuning in. I always appreciate you guys. Moving our way up to 100 subscribers, hopefully, in the near future. Let's see. Oh, got something. Another Full Art Shiny. Centiskorch. See if we can get that focused a little bit better. There we go. Not a bad hit, but again, not what we're looking for. We're looking for that shiny Zard. We'll sleeve that guy up anyways. Oh, halfway through the ETB, and what do we get? 3 Full Art Shinies and a baby shiny so far? Can't complain there. Dartrix, Eldegoss, Luxio, Choodle, Nickit, Grookey, Yanma, more Pecco, another baby shiny. We got a dub wall this time, and a non-holo Professor's Research. Yeah, this was definitely still the age of scalping with Pokemon. I know when this set came out, there were lines out the door. They had to wait. They had to have product behind the shelves at Target. It was a wild time. Definitely a wild time back when Shining Fates was coming out. But things are much better now. Way easier to get product. You don't have to pay double the price for an ETB right off the bat on an opening, so that's always good. Nickit, Evil, and nothing on that. 3 packs left. See if we get anything else out of this ETB. Again, my hands are just not working properly. Rusted Sword, Eldegoss, Gossifleur, Snom, Trapinch, Nickit, Utzel, Reverse Q-Font, and a Decidueye Hollow. Toss that to the side. Second last pack. Horsey, Yanma, more Pecco, Coughing, Gossifleur, Wacky Reverse, and a Rillaboom Hollow. And got the Zard artwork for the last. Let's see if we can have one in there. Alright. Wacky, Rusted Sword, Rowlet, Trapinch, Mewtwo, Puffin, Jinx, and we're not going to end it on anything crazy. A Manphy, non-holo. But now, we have the main event of the evening. 10 packs of a lot of people's favorite set, especially from the Sun and Moon era, Hidden Fates. I think I've said before on a previous video, I've only opened up 8 packs total from Hidden Fates ever. Definitely missed the boat on that when Hidden Fates came out, so let's just rip right into it. Like I said, we got 2, these are coming from 2 tins and 2 loose packs. So let's see what we can get done. I think it's 4 to the back. I guess we'll find out. Lieutenant Surge's strategy. Always loved Lieutenant Surge back in the old Pokemon episodes. Ekans, Cubone, Magikarp, Geodude, Clefairy, Reverse Slowpoke, and a Mew. Definitely a lot of Gen 1 Pokemon in Hidden Fates, and I think that's a big reason as to why a lot of people really enjoyed it. A lot of Gen 1 and Gen 2 fans out there, but I've been told before that on first print run, again, if this is first print run, that they average 1 full art shiny a tin. We can only be so lucky. Imagine actually pulling the Charizard today out of these 10 packs. That would be pretty wild. Geodude, Eevee, Fairy, Baby Shiny Oranguru, and a Bill's Analysis. First Baby Shiny for Hidden Fates. So many cool Pokemon, especially on the full art shinies. I mean, you got Mewtwo, I believe Umbreon, Espeon, Glaceon for sure is in there. Charizard, of course, Articuno. Just a bunch of really good full arts in the set. Let's see if we can get lucky and get one of those big guys. Let's see. Pikachu, Magikarp, Puffin, Jigglypuff Reverse, and a Mr. Mime. So nothing there. This is the last, from this tin. So maybe not. 1 baby shiny so far out of the 10. Let's see if we can get something else here. Jinx, Voltorb, Pika, Ekans, Puffin, Paris, nope, Kangaskhan, and Kangaskhan. So we can debunk that myth right there. Oh, there goes Marie. Back up there, bud. Charizard artwork, let's see. I'll be happy with any, well, maybe any full art shiny. Probably not any of the Ultra Beasts. Not a fan of those at all. So hopefully that's not the one we get. Paris, Charmander, Clefairy, Ralts, Baby Shiny, and a Jesse and James Holo. Another Baby Shiny. And I mean, compared to Baby Shinies in Paldean Fates, I mean, I just love the textured silver border that they went with now. But got that Ralts there. last of 2 Charizard packs that were loose packs. Let's see if we can get lucky on this one. And then back to the last 10. Farfetch'd. Uter City Gym. Giovanni's Exile. Slowpoke. Psyduck. Clefairy. Magikarp. Ekans. Reverse Caterpie. And a Mr. Mime, so nothing there. 4 packs left to go. With Hidden Fates. Code. It's Pokemon Center Lady. Our boy Metapod. Keep that one. Eevee. Clefairy. Psyduck. Snake Backwards. Caterpie. Reverse Hollow, Energy, and another Jesse and James. Striking out on Hidden Fates. Shout out to my boy Paul. Big Metapod fan. Here's to you. 3 packs left. Oh, that pack opened up real weird. Come on, we gotta get up. Our boy again. We gotta get lucky with at least 1 full art shiny, right? Jigglypuff, Staryu, Ekans, Eevee, Pikachu, Bill's Analysis, and a Jolteon. Nothing. Pokemon Center Lady again. Sabrina's Suggestion. Misty. Pikachu. Voltorb. Koffing. Cubone. Geodude. Swablu Baby Shiny, and an Electrode non-hollow. So at least we got that. At least we got another Baby Shiny. And our last pack of the episode, of the video. I always say episode, I don't know why. Last pack of the video for today. Let's see if we can break this bad streak. Oh, it looks, I can see it. I can see it. Full art shiny. We definitely have one on the last pack. Let's see what we can get. Slow rolling it. Saint. Lieutenant Surge's Strategy. Misty's Determination. Staryu. Jigglypuff. Ekans. Geodude. Cubone. I think it's coming up. Nope.
No! God, please, no! No! No!
Butterfree. And I was mistaken. Not even a full art shiny, but we did get the birds. So, what can you do? Can't complain there. Definitely had fun though. It was definitely a fun time opening up some Hidden Fates. I might have to go back and get some more tins because that was fun. And I'm a little disappointed we didn't pull a single full art shiny. So, maybe I'll go back, get some more, do another video with some Hidden Fates in the future, but I definitely appreciate it. Thank you guys for watching. Hit that subscribe button. Definitely leave a comment. What was your favorite pull of the video? And I'll see you next time.